14. Number 14. All right, I have a problem with this problem because it has answers that are unsimplified. You'll never find that on the AP exam, but regardless, let's just do this. All right, what you can do, since there's two different functions, is you could use the product rule. We can solve this using the product rule, and we go derivative of x, which is 1, then we have the square root of x, and then we go plus, then we have x times the square root, or the derivative of the square root function, which is 1/2 x to the negative 1/2, which actually works out to be 1/2 square root of x. And then we can simplify that to try to make it look like one of these guys. I feel like that's the long way around. I like taking shortcuts, and I hope you do too. So let's take a shortcut. The shortcut would be to take this and simplify it. It says x to the 1, x to the 1/2, which equals x to the, this would be a 2/2, 3/2. Then take the derivative of this. Yay. So that would be 3/2 x times, or x raised to the 3/2 minus 1, which is 2/2. Okay, you guys with me? So then I get 3/2 x raised to the 1/2, which is the same as square root. So we have 3 square root of x over 2, because this would be 3/2 times the square root of x, and you make this over 1, so you get 3 square root of x over 2. All right, do we see that anywhere? Right, we don't see it anywhere. Why don't we see it everywhere? Because this dumb problem put unsimplified answers in here. So let's simplify all these answers, which I will never do on my tests, just so you know. This one is already simplified. This one is not simplified. This one is the same as 2x to the 1 over x to the 1/2. This would equal 2x to the 1/2, which is 2 rad x, which is not the answer we're looking for. All right, so let's do another one. Simplify the next one. This one says 3x to the 1 over 2x to the 1/2. We subtract the 1 and the 1/2. What do we get? 3x to the 1/2 on top, and then 2 on the bottom, which is exactly what we're looking for. Isn't it? Not what we got? Yeah, so our answer is C.